Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist and a dental specialist specializing in dental implants, including All-on-4. My patients ask me all the time, and the people I meet all the time, they ask me, how is an All-on-4 going to help me? Let me share a story right here. I saw this patient just yesterday in my office. As you might see right here, see some of these bottom teeth are just about to come out, and actually one tooth is literally hanging in here, and you have a one back tooth in the back right on the bottom left, which has literally a lot of infection, and she has no self-confidence at all, and she wants to have some teeth that are going to look, feel, and function like a natural teeth, because she got multiple health problems, and also she's going to get married next year. So is it worth, and how is that going to help her to get a good quality of life? Well, the answer is, if you are looking to improve your self-confidence, just like this lady who was going to get married, or if you're going to have a good quality of life with a complete set of teeth that are going to look, feel, and function like a natural teeth, definitely All-on-4 is an option. So next time when you're at your dentist, when you have a health problem, or when you have drug abuse, or you did not take good care of your teeth and you let your teeth go, so don't be concerned. All-on-4 can be done for you, and talk to your dentist or stop by at one of our Dallas-Fort Worth locations. We are happy to help.